Hey Internet, this is Python code to convert a JPEG with words into a Word document. So this is just a recording of my journey to learning coding. So the code is in the pinned comment. So let's just show you how to do it. So you run the code. So you copy the file path. So we'll just use test image 2. So do note that you do need to download Google Tesseract OCR to run this code. You also need Python Tesseract or PyTesseract. So you do need to download those two. And you can get those just by searching on GitHub. They're both on GitHub, so you know it's a reliable source. Also, this code is in the description, so you can go to it if you want to. So when you paste the path, make sure you get rid of the quotation marks. So that is the address of the picture. I'll show you the picture in a minute. Okay, and then you just need to copy the address. So this is the address, but it will save in the folder above it. It's a bit weird, but it does that. And it's a little unintended, but I think it's fine. You just know that it's going to be the file above. And yeah, so you hit enter, then you press any key to continue. It will exit the program and it will save your document. So this is what the picture is. It's just some text from a textbook. So now if we go one folder above, it will have this document. And as you can see, it does like convert words pretty well. However, it struggles with equations. So, and that was sort of like the testing point. As I do a lot of tutorials, I thought it'd be useful. It's somewhat useful. So if it's a long tutorial question, it's good, but it struggles with equations, and like there are equation OCRs, but I think this is just a good proof of concept for now. Maybe in the future I'll come back and improve it. And don't expect the code to be rapidly like what's the word, improving, like, or escalating for that matter. I'm just solving problems that I have, and that's what they said to do. Just find a problem that you have in your life and solve it. So that's what I'm doing. So maybe the next video will just be a simple calculator or whatever. Yeah, I'll try and do different things, but I only code when I need to solve a problem. And I'm just picking things up as I go along. Alright, thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like, subscribe, share with your friends, ring the bell, turn on all notifications. Leave a comment below if this was helpful in any way. Maybe it will be. I'm sure you can probably find this code online somewhere, or like even just use a LLM to teach you how to code. But yeah, this is just my way of doing things, just practical learning, I guess. So thanks for watching. Do the YouTube stuff, like and subscribe. Leave a comment below. Until next time, see ya.